Hey friend, if you are anything like us, you love finding cool new gadgets that can make your life easier. And when it comes to everyday carry items, there are some seriously awesome gadgets out there that you won't want to miss. From handy multi-tools to sleek and stylish flashlights, these EDC gadgets are the perfect way to stay prepared and ready for anything life throws your way. All the links to purchase these EDC gadgets are given in the description below. So feel free to check them out if you are interested. Let's get started. Kicking off the list with the Lever Gear Bit Vault, a handy and versatile tool that every DIY enthusiast and professional tradesperson should have in their arsenal. This compact and durable multi-bit screwdriver is designed for everyday carry, making it easy to bring along on any project. Its minimalist design features a magnetic bit holder that keeps your bits secure and easily accessible. The Bit Vault is constructed from high-quality materials that ensure it can withstand tough working conditions. It also has a rotating collar that allows for easy switching between bits, making it a convenient tool to use in tight spaces. Overall, the Lever Gear Bit Vault is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a compact, durable, and versatile multi-bit screwdriver. Next on the list is the Olight Baton 3, a fantastic compact flashlight that packs a powerful punch. With a maximum output of 1200 lumens and a beam distance of 166 meters, this flashlight is perfect for a variety of tasks. Its sleek and ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and operate, and it also features a magnetic tail cap for hands-free use. The Baton 3 is USB-C rechargeable and its battery life is impressive, lasting up to 20 days on its lowest setting. Overall, the Olight Baton 3 is a great choice for anyone in need of a reliable, compact, and powerful flashlight that is perfect for everyday carry or outdoor adventures. Third on the list is the TomTalk Compact Sling Bag, an excellent choice for anyone who needs a small, lightweight, and versatile bag for everyday use. With multiple pockets and compartments, it provides ample space for your essentials, including a tablet or e-reader. Its compact design and adjustable strap make it easy to carry, and it can be worn as a sling or a waist pack. The bag is made from high-quality materials that are both durable and water-resistant, ensuring that your belongings stay safe and protected in any weather. The zippers are also smooth and easy to use, and the bag's overall construction is top-notch. Overall, the TomTalk Compact EDC Sling Bag is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a stylish and functional bag that can be used for a variety of purposes. Up next is the Rush Deer Pocket Knife, a splendid choice for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile folding knife. With its sharp blade made of high-quality stainless steel, this knife is perfect for a variety of tasks, including cutting rope, opening boxes, and preparing food. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry in your pocket, and it also features a sturdy clip that keeps it securely in place. The knife's ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, and its locking mechanism ensures that the blade stays safely in place when not in use. Overall, the Rush Deer Pocket Knife is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile knife that is perfect for everyday carry. Moving on, we have the Femi Outdoor Tactile Bag, perfect for anyone in need of a durable and versatile backpack for outdoor activities, travel, or everyday use. With multiple compartments and pockets, it provides ample space for all of your essentials, including a laptop or tablet. The bag is made from high-quality materials that are both water-resistant and durable, ensuring that your belongings stay safe and protected in any weather. Its adjustable straps and padded back panel also make it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Overall, the Femi Outdoor Tactile Bag is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a high-quality backpack that can withstand tough conditions and is perfect for a variety of activities. The sixth gadget on our list is the Travando Men's Slim Wallet, a great option for anyone in need of a durable and versatile wallet. With its compact design and minimalist appearance, this wallet is perfect for everyday use. It features multiple card slots and a clear ID window. The wallet is made from high-quality materials that ensure durability and longevity, and its RFID blocking technology helps to keep your sensitive information safe. Its slim profile also makes it a great choice for travel or anyone who wants to minimize their pocket clutter. Overall, the Travando Men's Slim Wallet is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a high-quality wallet that is both functional and stylish. Finally, we have the Comfortech Ultimate Ankle Holster, a great gadget for anyone looking for a comfortable and convenient way to carry their firearm. This ankle holster is made of soft, breathable neoprene material which makes it comfortable to wear for long periods. Its versatile design also allows for use on either leg and with a variety of firearms. The holster features a secure strap that keeps your firearm in place and easily accessible. Additionally, the holster's moisture-wicking technology keeps sweat and moisture away from your skin, ensuring maximum comfort. Overall, the Comfortech Ultimate Ankle Holster is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a comfortable and discreet holster for their concealed carry firearm. So that was all about the 7 coolest EDC gadgets that will make your life easier. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as we always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about our latest videos. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.